It's time! LarryBoy's project is officially underway. He was moved into the garage, and as you can see, all the wood was rotted and moldy, and the demolition process has started. Mike made lots of great progress tearing down the walls and getting rid of all of the rotten debris. It could be overwhelming, but he's a pro at doing this. I'm just, squeamish just looking at it right now myself. This is the before footage of all the scraps and wood that came off of LarryBoy. Wow. Just wow. That's all I could say when I saw it. It looks daunting, doesn't it? All of that debris. Originally, we thought we could keep the bathroom and shower pan, but we have to redo that area too. Here's the burn pile, and everything was burn, baby, burn. And this is the cleaned up spot. Now we have a clean slate. The wheel well will be repaired or replaced. And then the floor, the foundation is there. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.